Let's talk about the ringing, whining, or buzzing sounds that you hear in your ear all day, every day that are worse at night. This is tinnitus. And oftentimes what happens is there's damage to the hair cells that are inside your cochlea or your hearing center. Now, if this is the case, there's a distortion of the signals that are coming through, and it'll end up creating that whining, ringing, or buzzing sound. Now, what if your inner ear is okay and you've been to the ENT and everything checks out just fine? Well, chances are it's not so much an issue in the inner ear and more an issue with the nerve, the auditory nerve that passes through all the way up where it links with your auditory cortex in the brain. Now, if this is where your issue is coming from, the chances are you have an issue in the neck. Now, the reason that I say that is the top two bones in your neck, known as atlas and axis, if they misalign and lock out of place due to micro traumas or macro traumas over time, they can misalign, lock out of place, and cause irritation to your central nervous system, affecting this nerve and ultimately affecting how it processes sounds that you hear every day. Now, if this is you or somebody that you know and you've already been to the ENT, our office here at Neckwise is the next logical step. We can take a close look at that upper neck for you. We can find out what's going on with those bones, make very gentle corrections, moving them back into place, allowing this nerve to normalize again and return to its original function, ultimately allowing that tinnitus or the ringing and buzzing to go away. Now, we're doing a free consultation. We'd love to get you in the office, get to know you a little bit, find out what's going on with your upper neck, and get you back onto the road to health and healing today.